Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In today's video, I will explain how account verification works on the Upscrolled app. First, you need to understand one important thing. At the moment, Upscrolled does not have its own automatic verification system. Instead, Upscrolled verifies accounts based on your presence on other platforms. This includes Instagram, TikTok, or X. Now let me show you where to find the verification option. Open the Upscrolled app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon. Now tap on the gear icon to open settings. Scroll all the way down. Tap on account verification. Here you will see the verification requirements. To be eligible for verification, you must meet these conditions. You must have at least 100,000 followers on Instagram, TikTok, or X. Your Upscrolled account must have at least 300 posts. Your account must be public, not private. Your name on the account should be your real name. If you meet all these requirements, the next step is manual verification. Upscrolled asks you to contact them through their official social media accounts. You need to send them a message saying, "Verify me on Upscrolled," followed by your Upscrolled username. After that, their team will review your request. If everything checks out, your account may get verified. Keep in mind that verification is not guaranteed. It depends on whether you meet all the requirements and their review process. And that's it. This is how account verification currently works on Upscrolled. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Upscrolled updates and app tutorials. Thanks for watching.